and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Guys, today we're going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1969 Pontiac GTO. Beautiful car, guys. This car has just undergone, and it's all documented, a complete nut and bolt frame off rotisserie restoration. I bought the car here locally from a guy by the name of Frank. Great guy, man. He just completed this car in 2017. All the receipts go with the car, as well as some of the photos of the restoration. Built the car for the Hot Rod Power Tour, drove it on the Power Tour, and now he's on the hunt. Matter of fact, he's getting ready to do a 69 Camaro. But beautiful car. It's Palladium silver. It's got the black vinyl top with a black vinyl interior. Great car, man. Hideaway headlight car. It's got the matching numbers, 400 cubic inch engine in it. Tach gauges. Very cool car. Kind of see a little blemish there in the paint. There's a couple of little things that you can pick. One is a little ding that I'm actually going to try to get taken out. He thinks that happened to him at a car show here just the other day. But beautiful car, man. Original 242 GTO. He knew the entire history on this car. The local high school principal, I guess, bought this car brand new. He owned it for quite a long time. Actually sold it to his brother, who had the car. Frank says had the car for a long time. And then Frank was the third owner on the car, completely disassembled the car, and here it is. Again, fresh restoration, very nicely done. Pretty car. The ding there in the trim, I'm sure that happened putting it on. Sometimes that stuff can be a pain. And this car is as nice on the bottom as it is on top. All new brake lines. See new bumpers. Pretty car, man. And I'll tell you, it drives as good as it looks. Nice and tight. Sorry, just a bug there, guys. It's nice and straight down the sides. It's got the chrome tips. The car's got a great sound to it, the cam card and everything. He said it is 30 over. When he had the motor rebuilt, it was 30. He did it 30 over. The cam card's in the little jacket we got in the trunk with all the receipts. BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it with the Rally 2s and the PMD caps, correct lug nuts on it. I like it. Matter of fact, Ed likes it as well. He left the trim rings off, kind of gives it that Judge look. Disc brakes, power steering. Again, it is the matching numbers, 400 cubic inch engine in it, 4-barrel stock intake, factory exhaust manifolds, power steering, power disc brakes, 400 turbohydramatic trans. Again, detailed out underneath the hood, just like it came out of the factory. And a good car, proven car. It's got like 4,000 miles on it. I can't remember, I think it was like 3,000 miles, I think he said, for the power tour that he did on it. What pretty car, man. I love the silver. You can see all new door rubbers, all new interior. new sill plates, new carpet. Bucket seats, console. It's got all the correct seat belts in it. Factory dash. Now he added the tach. Car didn't come factory with the tach. 4724 on the odometer, and that is since the car's done. It's a aftermarket AM/FM radio, dual exhaust. It's a 10-bolt 323 rear end. No big gear, just a stock gear. Great car. Cool history. Like I say, I like the guy I bought it from. Super guy. He's a car guy. Factory jack and spare. Here's all the photos. You can see the car's on the car was done on a rotisserie, complete frame off. Here's all the receipts. There's $35,000 just in parts on that car. No labor. It's all spackle painted in the trunk like it should be. Look how nice that car is underneath. That's a pretty car, man. Really, really dig this car. And like I say, drives just as good as it looks. It's right in here. There's a little ding. That's what he thinks. He's at the car show and somebody got him. New door handles. Like I say, I'm gonna see if we can get our dent guy out, take a look at it, and see if we can get that out. Just as sweet as can be. The car just runs out great. Yeah, you're looking for a nice 69 GTO, guys. Man, this thing is pretty. Fuel gauge working there. Yep. Sorry, I got my sunglasses on. Tach works. You can hear the radio in there working. Backup lights work. Radio works. Blower motor works. Blower motor works. Yep. That's the only thing I actually didn't check yesterday. Again, pretty car. Just barely see that ding, but drove me crazy, drove him crazy too. So. Try to get it out. There it goes. Yeah, no, they work. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page, or as always, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Well, that's a pretty car, man, I'm telling you. Just a pretty, pretty car. Have a great day, guys. Sorry, we have 2 officers of the law here, so Jay couldn't get on it. Have a great day.